Hello Rabbitins, welcome to Rabbit. Welcome. So how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing incredibly fine. Ekdam mast. I'm also doing fine, great, first class. So today we're gonna talk about all the information about 2025 second round of audition. I'm very excited that we're doing a second round of audition. We had done a second round of audition, but it was not in the same year. One audition was in 2023 and the second audition was in starting of 2024. But this time we are doing two auditions the same year, so I'm very excited about it. So yeah, let's start with all the information. So first of all, everybody can audition for the second round of audition. It's not like selected girls have to give the second round of audition. No, it's a fresh round of audition, so everybody who's interested in giving the audition can give the second round of audition. Okay. For the second round of audition this time, you can audition for two categories. One is singing category and one is dancing category. Only two categories are open in the second round of audition for auditioning. For singing category, you have to send two songs. This time, songs has to be of your choice. So you can select the song which you want to audition with. So one song has to be a Hindi song and one song has to be an English song. That's the thing for the singing category. There's no specific time frame about how long the song has to be. You can send a minute of a song or you can send the entire song. That's personally your choice, what contribution you want to do towards giving the auditions. So there's not a specific time period for both of the or Hindi song or English song. There's no time period that you have to send it for a 1 minute or 2 minute. No, it's your choice. You want to send it for 1 minute, you want to send the entire song, totally belongs to you. So that's for the singing category. For the dance category, you have to send one audition video, and you can use K-pop songs this time, because a lot of time, lot of dancers have told us that please allow K-pop songs to be danced on. Like, cool, okay, we are getting this time this opportunity. So this time you can use K-pop songs for the dance category if you want to audition. Now, for the singing category, you have to send an introduction video and two singing video. And for the dance category, you have to send one introduction video and one dance video. And so you have to prepare an introduction video. So in the introduction video, please make sure that you send your name, your age, what are you studying, where you stay. Okay, yeah, name, age, what are you studying, where do you stay. Yes, this four information has to be. A lot of time we have seen people don't send the introduction video, and guess what, the first thing we think about it, that you haven't seen or the video and you haven't paid a lot of attention that what you need to send, and that's such a negative marks for you. So please make sure that when you're making an introduction video, you send all the information that has been asked from us to be sent. So 3 videos for singing, introduction, 2 singing videos, Hindi and English. For dance category, 2 videos, 1 introduction and 1 dance video. And again, for the dance, there's no specific time period, 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minutes, choice is yours, go for it. What else is left? Oh, the age criteria. Yeah, sorry. So the age criteria, this time girls from 16-year to 26-year-old can audition. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This age group of girls can audition for the second round of Rabbit 2025 audition for 2 categories, singing category and dancing category. So if you want to audition, if you're excited, please go for it. The dates for audition of 2025 are 10 June to 10 July. So 10 June 2025 to 10 July 2025 is the second round of audition date. In this 1 month of time period, you have to send your audition videos. So currently the auditions are open. So currently the auditions are open. Today is 12. 2 days have passed by. The auditions have been open from 10 June and it will go till 10 July. And on 11 July, the auditions would be off. So if you're interested, if you want to give audition, go for it. Give your auditions, because we have trainees over here who were not selected in the when they gave the first round of audition, like the first time audition, and when they gave the second time audition, they happened to be selected and they came Mumbai for training. So yeah, you never know if things can go in your favor. So yeah, if you are really interested, you can give the auditions. What else is left? Yeah, and so you have to send this videos at rabbitaudition@gmail.com. Now, if it's possible, go with YouTube unlisted link to send all your audition videos. But a lot of time people have copyright issues. So if you are having any copyright issue, in such case, you can send us through Drive link, normal Drive link. That would be great. But make sure that your videos are not private, because if we click on it and it says that, oh, it's a private request for an access, I think we would not request for an access, because that was your job to send your audition videos in a Drive link that could just open, and it wouldn't be private. So yeah, make sure that you send it if you're sending through Drive link, because you have a copyright issue. If you don't have a copyright issue, do not send to Drive link, send to YouTube unlisted link. But if you're having a copyright issue, then you can send it through Drive link. Make sure it's not private. Yeah, I think yeah, everybody can audition. 2 categories, age group 16 to 26. Yeah, the dates have been shared. They have to send it email, link, YouTube. Yeah, everything is done. Yeah, I hope I have given all the information. I hope I'm not missing anything. I hope I'm not missing anything. But yeah, that's it for today's information for 2025 second round of audition. I wish you all the best. Next video, that means on this Tuesday, I'm gonna post a video where I'm gonna explain you that you should consider this points before giving audition. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about that. So yeah, let's meet Tuesday again with very important video which could help you to decide that if you want to give this audition or you don't want to give this audition. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you're very happy that you're getting again one chance for auditioning for this girl group for Rabbit's girl group, and I wish you all the best. I hope that you do great this time, and you and me happen to see each other face to face. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, Rabbitins. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're watching this video, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends and family about Rabbit, cause why not? Bye, Rabbitins. Take care. Bye bye.